This is probably a beautiful entrance walkway to the house. Very cool. Wow, how cool.
Hello everyone, thanks for coming along with us as we explore another house in the abandoned series. This is we call the log cabin. You can see the original log cabin and then they added on to it. So come along, let's check it out.
Looks like it was originally made out of logs. That could mean it's really old. This looks like an add-on. This door's wide open. Don't come to damage anything. Look at all those old food jars and cans of food. Refrigerators and freezers. Look at the ceilings all falling in over here. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of time to look around. It's a small attic room up there. You can't even get to it. The stairs are all collapsed. That's part of the roof right there. Wow. So this was the old house. And this was an add-on. Looks like anyway. There's another attic room. Here's the living room. The stove. Very cool. Take a quick peek up here if I can. The stairs look like they're still somewhat intact. Old Christmas lights. Everything's just falling in. There's that garage we were looking at. It's a bathroom. It's going to be a pretty short video, guys. Sorry about that. This place is so damaged. Looks like that might have been an add-on part of the house too. I'm not sure. It's really bad here in the mold. And I just happened to come across this place really quickly. There's a house next door, so trying to be quiet, not disturb anybody. Get in here and out of here as quick as I can. Very cool place. Thanks for coming along. And please subscribe. Give us a like. We sure appreciate it. It helps us out. And we have a lot more videos to come. So we're working every day on putting videos out. At least putting them out once every 4 days or so. And we got a lot more that we haven't even done yet. So I'm constantly working on them. Thank you. Little covered walkway. out to maybe the pump house. The back door, this is all thrown in. Oh, they have a little cold storage, little canning room. Lots of canned goods. Yeah, I can tell this part of the house has been added onto. There's even a little balcony up there. It's probably to that little room in the attic I couldn't get to. Definitely cleaned up the land around this old house. There's a sliding glass door up there. Somebody broke a window out with a chair. That's great. See, it's people that do this kind of stuff. Ruin it for everybody else. You see the old log cabin style in the front there. Very cool. I think a car's coming, so it's kind of the end of an old road, but there's a house next door. So I gotta go for now. See some other buildings that have fallen down. Oh wow, there's a car under there. Look at that. Look at that, that's cool. Can't really see. If you know what that is, let me leave a comment for me. Kind of an old jalopy. It looked like it was inside this little building at one time and collapsed. There's another little old building over here. Just love old stuff like this. Look at that. Can't even find a way to get into that place. It's an old storage shed, possibly.